Welcome to Rental Stop's instructional videos. Today we're going to discuss the cotton candy machine. Here are all the items that you will need in order to make cotton candy. On the front of our cotton candy machine, you will notice we have a QR code. You can scan that with your cell phone and you will receive these instructions. Now you need to plug in your cotton candy machine and adjust these levers upwards in order to make cotton candy. Inside the dome, you should see mesh with brackets spaced evenly across. Now it's time to pour in the sugar floss. Make sure that you do not pour this in when the machine is on and do not overfill it. Now it's time to make cotton candy. Make sure you turn on the master switch and the heating switch and turn the heat all the way to high. Within a few seconds, you will start seeing cotton candy already making in the machine. At this point, you want to turn down the heating adjustment so the cotton candy doesn't start to burn. Let the cotton candy build up into the machine, and then you can grab your cone and you can twist it around. Do not pull, twist the cone around to gather your cotton candy. Thank you for watching this instructional video. If you have any questions or concerns about the equipment, please call us at 972-336-0059.